Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to add clickable links to TikTok stories. Adding clickable links to your TikTok stories is a great way to share websites, social media pages, or any online content with your followers. It makes your stories more interactive and can help drive traffic to your links. Here's a detailed guide to help you add clickable links to TikTok stories. Start by opening the TikTok app on your mobile device. Make sure to log in or sign up for your account. Now, reach the Profile tab by tapping the profile icon on the bottom right corner. On your profile picture, you will find the plus icon. By tapping on it, you can choose any media from your gallery. After choosing any picture, tap on the Save option on the right side. It will save that picture in your albums. Tap on the text icon and you can type anything you want. Then, you can type any link and adjust it anywhere on your screen. For demonstration, I have written youtube.com and placed it on the image. Lastly, tap on Add Story to add it to your TikTok story. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.